Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new here, I welcome you. I have a candle review of the 2020 DQ Blizzard Treat Candle in the scent Oreo Mocha Fudge Blizzard. So let's just get into this design. Same design as the prior candle designs, just a fall sticker on the front. However, this one is in a brown color, representing, I guess, that mocha chocolate fudge color. And let's take a look at the wax and the wicks. I've been burning this candle for over an hour now, and as you can see, the wax has pulled out very nicely. The wax is just a off-white translucent color, and that flame is nice and tall, and this candle has been throwing. So let's just read the scent notes. The scent notes are: essence of a cozy cafe meets your favorite cookie meets your nose. So let me show you a picture of the actual Blizzard. And this is the Oreo Mocha Fudge Blizzard. Just a pic of what the actual ice cream looks like. And you can see it has chunks of Oreos in there, also with pieces of that mocha fudge. So let's just talk about the performance thus far. So definitely after about 15 minutes of lighting this candle, I got immediate throw. This is a very yummy Oreo cookie treat for sure. I'm not the biggest Oreo person, but if you enjoy Oreo and you like the hints of mocha and fudge, you would definitely enjoy this candle. It does give off a pretty strong, I would say, coffee note, because that mocha does smell very coffee-like. So for my coffee lovers, you would enjoy this one as well, I would say, in my opinion. It's a really good blend of the mocha fudge. I don't smell any ice cream note or any kind of sweet cream note from this candle. This is strictly like a cookie mocha fudge. I do smell it smells more like a dark chocolate fudge, and also you've got that strong coffee note that this candle has been giving off. So if you don't like coffee and you don't like that blend with fudge, you may not like this candle so much. It does have a very strong throw. I would say the throw is about a 9 out of 10. It does fill up an entire room space. Even though this is a 1-wick candle and it's 4 ounces, it does give off a pretty impressive throw. I wish I could smell more of a blend of like ice cream somewhere in there, but overall it's definitely for an Oreo favorite and a fudge lover. So yeah guys, that is my review of the Oreo Mocha Fudge, and this ends my 2020 DQ Blizzard Treat Candle Collection. You guys are welcome to check out my prior reviews of the series of candles for this year. So if you enjoy videos like this, be sure to hit your notification bell. Comment down below if this is something that would tickle your nose, that you would be into. Like I said, me personally, I'm not a big Oreo fan, but this candle is enjoyable. It's not offensive at all. However, it is very strong on that mocha note, and you do get that good blend of Oreo and fudge. So be sure to like and subscribe, guys, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.